I don't recommend products unless the reviews actually hold up over time. Here's why Rocketbook's smart reusable notebook is one that does. Over 44,000 5-star reviews on Amazon, and the pattern in the feedback is consistent. People who buy one actually keep using it a year later, which is rare for a notebook gimmick. Write with a Pilot Fridaisian pen, scan each page to the cloud with the app, then wipe it clean with a damp cloth and reuse it. Over 44,000 5-star reviews on Amazon, and the pattern in the feedback is consistent. People who buy one actually keep. Not a paid promotion, based on real, independently verified reviews. Best for anyone who takes handwritten notes but wants them backed up digitally without retyping everything. Check current price and availability on Amazon. Link in the description below. We only recommend products with a real track record